DREO are here to blow Dyson away. Yep, household pun intended, but let's see if the Solaris 718 is one of our new top 5 gadgets. A 1500 watt full room heater with whisper silent motors, smartphone control, so many safety features, it's incredible, and an aesthetic straight from a sci-fi gets my inner top 5 gadgets geek more than a little excited. So let's take a closer look at the fan from the future from DREO. My pet hate here at Top 5 Gadgets is when you get larger pieces of home tech that need building. I just hate flat pack. Instruction manuals live in the bin, and just generally these hands weren't made for building. So it was an absolutely huge relief when it came to first unboxing the Solaris 718 that DREO had once again smashed it out of the park by sending it already put together. Now I will say, don't throw away that instruction manual just yet, because this thing has functions. I ended up digging it back out of the bin, so more on those a little bit later. But it is here at the unboxing that we see the quality of DREO's products for the first time, and once again, DREO do not disappoint. I honestly don't know how they do it. It's always a joy unboxing DREO stuff, but they pack so much quality in such a modest price point, it almost seems kind of unfair to the competition. The premium materials are instantly on show for us, and with a first sneak peek at its incredibly complex heating elements and the heat-resistant housing that make up the Solaris 718. And aesthetically, this thing is impressive. Now I know looks can be, well, subjective. My own mother, after all, said I was beautiful, but I'll let you decide how this thing looks. For me, I think the Solaris 718 is absolutely beautiful to look at, and after all, aesthetics are quite important. Control-wise, this thing really does have it all, including DREO's own smartphone controls, where you can hook this fan heater up to be a fully integrated member of your smart home setup. You can also have a more retro hands-on approach, if that's your thing, with the on-body controls, or the even more retro DREO remote. These would of course allow you to fully control and regulate every part of the 718 when it's in use, from its static direction to the 120 degree of oscillation, right up to finding the exact temperature that this thing will heat up to, and that accuracy is a really impressive feature. The fan itself will heat up to an impressive 35 degrees or 95 Fahrenheit for you Stone Age people, and will heat the room up and keep it at that temperature to a margin of plus or minus 1.5 Fahrenheit. It does that with a combination of very smart sensors built in and DREO's new hyperamic heating element that boasts 153% greater PTC area, offering an almost 2-second instant heat up. All of this from a simple 1500 watt heater. That's really impressive. Safety-wise, they haven't cut any corners here either, with 8 multi-layers of material protection, making this one of the safest designs of its type on the market. And DREO haven't stopped there with the safety features either. They've built in an enhanced surge protection into the plug to give you some more electrical safety. There's a built-in child lock to the control panel, and most impressively, a built-in smart tip-over protection system. If the 718 detects that it is tipped at more than 45 degrees, it will instantly shut itself off. It's genuinely very impressive. This will obviously stop any potential unwanted fires or all the rest of it, but it's incredible to see that they've built that many safety features into a simple household fan. And the final thing that really blew me away here was just how whisper quiet this is when it's in operation. With a 25 decibel running mode from its brushless DC motor, it is, well, almost silent. This might even be more efficient here than a Dyson fan. I would genuinely love to test them side by side. So what's the TLDR? Well, if you like smart, stylish home gadgets that seem like they've been transported from the future into your house, then the Solaris 718 is definitely a top 5 gadget to check out. But does it make it into your list of top 5 gadgets? Let me know down in the comments down below. And whilst you're down there, please do like the video, subscribe for more top 5 gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one.